So I want to go over how to organize your documents and how to share them inside of Google Docs. So the first thing we do is I just created a test document right here, and all it says is test a bunch of times. So basically, looking up here, we can see that this is a private document, and we can share it. And this is one of the ways to share. There's several different ways to share documents. So the first thing we'll do is we'll hit share, and what it's saying now is that it is private to me, so no one else can see it inside of my organization. But if we add somebody now, and we'll just do Preston, and we'll share. And what that basically says is now that Preston, even though it's private, just me and Preston can see it. And we can change the permissions here, so we can make him the owner. We can say he can edit it or give him a read-only view. And you can do that with anybody with a Google Apps account. So, and then if you want to change it to your entire organization, you can just click up here, and that will be anybody inside of your @whatever.com. Whoever has those email addresses will be allowed to see it. You can do a share with a link or private, and then this will allow everybody to edit. So we can save that, and we can send out this link if we want, but we'll just close that. And that's basically how you share a document from within the document window. We can go back to Google Docs here, back to our home page, and here we are again. So basically, now that we have this document and it says it's shared here, but there's no folder next to it or collection. This right here is going to tell you what collection it's in. So this web RFP is for Maui Wowie. So in here we'd want to have another collection for this, so we don't have an unorganized way of viewing things. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new collection and call it test. And then once this refreshes, that will say test. So now we can see that it says test here. And what we want to do is keep all our files organized, so we can just drag the test file into the test, and now we can see here that it's in that folder. And if I select here, we can see that that test file document is now inside of the test collection, which is basically like a folder. So we can do the same sharing type of things with full folders. So if I wanted to share this, I can go share, and I'm going to get the same window that I had before. So I can, once again, I can just say I want everybody at Nightcamp Media to be able to edit it, and I can save that. And here we got the link again that we can send them to. And we're going to close this. And that's basically how you share a collection. That's how you create a collection. And as we go inside of here, we can see that all of these things are in the Maui Wowie collection, and we can actually sort them now. If we just wanted to see the PDFs within that collection, that's all we'd have to do. We can see the images, and we'll get thumbnail views. And over here we get more editing privileges, and once again we can share. We can add a description, and if people are changing stuff, we can do version control on that. So that's basically how you create folders, and that's also how you create permissions inside of Google Docs.